Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be copying outfits from my Pinterest timeline. I get on Pinterest all the time for outfit inspo, just for out of boredom, because it's a fun app for me. I'm going to be picking 5 outfits that I've already chosen. Throughout the video I'll be putting them on screen so that you can like see them. Obviously I'm going to be recreating them the best that I can. Obviously they're not going to be identical just because they're not my clothes, but I'm gonna do the best that I can do. So yeah, I've been gone for a while and I'm sorry about that, but I'm trying to get it back in the groove here. So yeah, make sure you follow me on all of my social media and hit the subscribe button down below if you have not already. Let's get into the video. So like I just said, I'm going to be putting the picture up on the screen on one of the 2 sides. I don't know which side it's going to be, but the first outfit is kind of simple. It's like a scarf for top, and then it's a little white mini skirt. There's no shoes, so I picked my own shoes, and then the only like jewelry details is a chunky necklace like this one, so I'm going to be wearing this one for this outfit as well. As for the scarf, if you watched my 4 hairstyles for natural hair video, which I will link above, this is the scarf that I use for my hair, but it also is big enough for me to wrap around as a top. For the skirt, it's just this little white mini tennis skirt. I thrifted it last summer. It was in my summer haul 2019 video, I think, and it's really cute. It's Adidas. Don't know if you can see that, but it has some slits in it in the back. I don't know, you'll see in the outfit portion, but that's the skirt. Since there are no shoes, I'm choosing to wear my K-Swisses. I wear these shoes every day, pretty much every other day. I alternate between these shoes and another pair of shoes. They're kind of dirty because I wear them all the time, but it's okay. We're gonna wear these shoes with it as well. So I'm gonna put that on and show you guys. I love this one too. It's really cute. The skirt is so cute. I actually have not worn this skirt yet, but I think that it's very nice. And it hugs me good, and I love it. I just put my K-Swiss on, like I said, and this is a little wrinkly. I'd probably like iron it before I actually wore it, but it's still cute. Tie up in the back. I put on the chunky necklace because it's like the one that she had on in her picture. And overall, I think that it is a really cute outfit. So for the next outfit, it's just a really simple, chill outfit, I feel like. She has on, it looks like a distressed bucket hat. I don't have a distressed one, but I have a regular one. She has on a cropped white like tank top or beater type tank, and then baggy pants with some words on it. And she just layered some necklaces on top. She doesn't have any purse accessories, and it also doesn't show shoes again. I'm gonna wear my K-Swiss again for this one just because there's no shoes on there, and if I wore this outfit I'll probably wear it with my K-Swiss. So I have this, like, it's originally like a beater that I got from Walmart or something like that I cropped. I wear these all the time because they're really simple and easy to throw on. The hat, the bucket hat, I have this one, which is a really nice like speckled bucket hat, but it's also reversible, so I could wear like this side as well, which I think is really cute. I think I'm gonna go with the speckled side though, just because I like that side a little bit better. And for the bottoms, I have these they're Wrangler jeans. They were given to me by my friend Michael. He distressed them and put all this like words and stuff on it. These are light wash and hers were dark wash, but it's okay. But they're these like big oversized pants with distressing, and they have some words on them that just says create, and they're really nice pants. So thank you, Michael. So let's put it on. So we have the cropped white tank, and then the bucket hat, which is really a coyote with my hair like this. I never wear hats when my hair is like in its full curly state because it's too big, but it's actually gonna fit on this one because this is a braid out. So yeah, I think that this is really cute with these pants. They're super distressed. And then we have on my K-Swiss down here. We just really love This one. So for outfit number 3, this is a picture of Bella Hadid. I don't know when this was from, but yeah, so she just has on what looks like mom jeans, or like straight leg jeans that are light wash. A button up that's only buttoned with like 2 buttons in the middle. She has on a leopard print bag or cheetah print. I can't tell which one that is. I don't have one of those bags that are like all over Pinterest. I don't have one of those because I don't really care to get one. I have a bag that is that print. It's just not that big or that style necessarily. And the shoes look like she has on like heels, but they're like with the flip-flop type design. And she has on gold jewelry. I'm not gonna put on gold jewelry because I don't wear gold jewelry. So I'm gonna layer. Oh, I think she has on just one necklace, so I'm gonna probably keep like this necklace on, and then yeah, I'll show you guys. For the bag, I'm just gonna carry this little 9 West bag that I thrifted a few months ago, or no, I thrifted it last year. It's cute, you know, or 2 years ago. I've actually had this for a long time ago. It was like 2 years ago, but it's just like a little handbag I'm gonna wear. For the top, hers looks like a I don't know what fabric it is. This is a nice, actually let me button it. Actually, everything that's in this entire haul was thrifted except for even some of the shoes were thrifted as well. The tennis shoes were not thrifted, but the heels were. Little like faux silk top. You can't really see what it looks like right now, but it just looks like this. It kind of reminds me of pajama top a little bit, but nicer. And it has like extra long like the cuffs are extra long, and I'm just gonna wear this with it and then only button up like 2 buttons like hers. And then for the pants, I have my Old Faithful straight leg Ralph Lauren jeans that I thrifted like 3 years ago or something. They are Ralph Lauren and they're light wash just like hers. I think that they'll be the same type of length as well. So they're simple, they're plain little jeans. Shoes for the outfit, I have these Steve Madden flip-flop type kitten heels that I thrifted. Everything's thrifted. All the clothes are thrifted, except for probably like 1 top, I think, but it's okay. They're just simple little brown heels. I thought it would go nice with the color of in the blouse, and also the thread on the denim is this color. Love matching threads. And we're gonna go put that one on and see what it's looking like. So for this one, I like this outfit a lot. I think that it's really nice. At first I was like, I don't like the combining prints, but it actually does look pretty nice. Why is this bird chirping outside my window? Goodness. But yeah, I think that it's really nice. I think that the contrast is nice, and this top is really elegant as well, so love it. This is probably like one of my favorite ones. On to the 4th outfit. She has on a cropped, what looks like a cropped button-up, sort of like the shirt that I have on right now. It's just a button-up shirt. She has on sunglasses on her head, a black mini bag, and then what looks like mom jeans from the top. I can't really tell. I'm gonna go with mom jeans, or at least that's what I got to wear, mom jeans, which is a really simple outfit. I think it's really cute. Got a little class. There's no shoes, so I picked my own shoes as well. Starting with the bag, I have this knockoff Dior purse that I got from the Goodwill a while ago. It has gold hardware, which sucks because I don't wear gold, but it's okay. It's the same exact shape as the Dior saddlebag, but it's obviously not. And I think that was really cute. I only got it for probably like $4. So we're gonna wear this because it's the only actual like black mini bag that I actually like that I have. For the top, I have this really nice blouse that is see-through. I don't know if you could tell it's see-through, but it's really nice quality. I can't even tell what the heck the brand is, but it has really nice exaggerated cuffs, and it's just really cute. It's a petite, it's like petite fitting shirt. I think it'll be really nice, and it's really dainty. For the pants, these ones are my other Old Faithfuls. They're my Gap mom jeans. They are like straight, they fit like straight leg, and they are a little bit more high-waisted than the Ralph Lauren's are, and they're also tighter. So I'm gonna wear these with that as well because I feel like they're pretty similar to her jeans, I think. And for the sunglasses, I have these tortoise shell sunglasses that I got from Goodwill. They're cute. I like them. Yeah, they're like tortoise shell. I don't know if you can, are you gonna focus? Okay, they look like that. I got them for like $1. So since hers did not have a pair of shoes, I'm gonna go with these little black strappy kitten heels that I got a while ago. They look like this. They're really cute. They have this like strappy detail, little small heel. They're really cute and simple, I think, and they go with the purse and the sunglasses, I feel like. So I'm gonna wear these with that. Let's put that outfit on and see what it's looking like. So for this look, look number 4, I decided to put the sunglasses here because you can't really see them in my hair. So I just said forget it. But I think that it's really cute. This is the really cute dainty top. I just left one small necklace on, the saddle bag, and I have on the high-waisted Gap jeans. Very cute. And then the strappy black heels on. The black obviously matches with the purse, which I think is really cute. But overall, I think that the details were really nice. Love the sunglasses with this. I feel like it's a very bougie outfit, which we love. And I think overall it looks very nice. I like it a lot. I'd probably wear it for sure. So moving on to the final outfit in this video. This one is actually the only one with something that I didn't like thrift. The top is the same top from my last haul. It's this shirt from Shein. It's actually the same exact shirt from the picture, but it's just orange. So I'm gonna wear this top. It's the same exact frilly top as in the picture. And I'm gonna wear these huge light wash pants that I have. I was debating whether or not I should wear the Ralph Lauren or these ones. I went with these ones because they're baggier than, like, the picture. The picture has really baggy pants, and these ones are fit baggier on me, so I'm gonna wear these ones. But they are these huge pants that I got from the thrift store. Obviously, I can't stop saying it. They have like elastic on the sides, and they're really nice. They're like huge and they're long and everything, but they fit around my waist, which is nice. And then for the bag, she has a pink bag, but I don't have an orange bag to wear, so I'm gonna wear this leopard print mini purse that I also had in my my last haul. And obviously it's not the same, it's not orange, but I think that the brown complements the orange very well, so I'm gonna wear this one. And for shoes, she has on, I don't know, some sort of platform looking shoe, but I'm just gonna wear these weird Forces that I have. They're not like actual Forces, they're Nike. They're just like, I think they're called like Son of the Force or something, because they look like Air Forces a little bit, but they're not. Whatever. I wear these shoes every day though, like these ones or my K-Swiss. I wear them every day. That's why these are dark dirty. It's okay though, we love the dirty shoes. That is the final outfit. We're gonna go try that on and see what it's looking like. So this is what the outfit is looking like. I have on the orange top. The purse I think looks really nice with the top. As for the pants, I think that they're a little too blue for this outfit, but I think that it's still cute. And then I have on my Forces, like I said. But yeah, I think that it's really cute. I kept on the same necklaces that I had on in the beginning of this video. And yeah, I think that it's overall really, really cute. It's a cute little outfit. And I think that the purse actually complements very well. So that is all for this video today, guys. I hope you all really enjoyed it. I love putting outfits together. That's why I want to do some more. Why is this motorcycle riding past? I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below if you have not already, and also make sure you follow me on my social media. That's in the beginning of this video, at the end of this video, and in the description box down below. So make sure you click those. Also make sure that you check out my fashion Instagram that is linked in the description box as well. And give this video a like. I think it was a good video, you know. Hopefully you think it was a good video, so just give it your thumbs, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.